guys, it's Alexandria here. I'm going to try my shot at vlogging again. So I am actually on my way to the airport. This is going to be a vacation vlog. Me and my family are going to the Virgin Islands for a vacation for the next couple of days. So I'm taking you guys along with me. I got my bags packed, all that good stuff. And let's do this. Okay, so let's pause. To start, I was super nervous about doing this vlog because last time I tried to vlog, it was an absolute, total, and complete fail. Not only did I break my camera getting off the ride at Disney World, and it was broken for months, but I literally got like no good footage that I could even salvage from my camera. So I was having my fingers crossed that this one would be better than the last one. So let's take it back to Disney World, January 2019, when we got stuck on Splash Mountain.
Guys, we're on Splash Mountain, and it literally just got shut down as soon as we got off, and now we're stuck on it. It's super late. Ooh, Chile, the ghetto.
A few moments later.
So anyway, that was my last experience vlogging, and you can see that my camera is broken. So now to present day. On the way to the Virgin Islands, my flight got delayed, so I didn't end up getting there until pretty late. We stayed on St. John. So in order to get there, you had to fly into St. Thomas and take a ferry boat over to our hotel. And you can see once I got there, it was already nighttime.
Good morning from the Virgin Islands. We are on the way to go hiking with the whole family in tow. And this is our first experience driving on the left-hand side of the road, which is quite interesting, to say the least. Got this some is really a great time. Ruins? Is it? In the sugar mill ruins. And there's a bunch of hermit crabs down here. Wow, so beautiful. Just got back from literally the worst experience of my life. We went on a trail hiking that was literally 2.2 miles downhill. So, you know, on the way back, It was 2.2 miles all the way uphill. Oops. And it was literally terrible. 2.2 miles back up, and it was horrible. Like, I'm so tired. I felt sick like the whole way up.
When did you get a good
Like, I don't even know. I don't even know. Like, I don't even know how I'm gonna get through the rest of the day. Like, it took like 5 hours between like all the stops and everything. No, it's lunch post hike. Waiting on our food.
And that was pretty much it for the first like full day. Everyone was wiped out after the hike, so we just went and sat over by the hotel pool. So the next day was our beach day, and we went to this cute restaurant in another part of the island for lunch.
Friend for lunch.
Let me tell you guys, this was like one of the most beautiful beaches I've ever been to. The water was so clear that you could see all the fish in the water, including a couple stingrays. Yikes.
The group were think about it, they're both really good.
Eats. Last supper. See what everybody got to eat. We got a tuna, and we got mahi. Lovely. I think pictures, huh?
So this was our last day. We went to brunch at the hotel, and it takes a while to get back to St. Thomas to fly out. You had to get on the ferry, so this is footage of me walking towards the ferry. But then once you get on the ferry, you have to take a cab to get to the airport. So we had to leave really early in the morning, even though our flights were pretty late in the afternoon. But overall, we had a really great time, and I would love to go back as soon as possible.